Guys, it's me, HaidyTube, and today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to do an intro on Safari or Google. So guys, don't forget to smash subscribe button, press on the notification bell, and click on the like button because that would be supportive. So guys, what are we waiting for? Let's go into the video. You have to go on this YouTube video to do your intro, and you don't have to watch the video, just press on the link here, just it says free online intro maker, so you click on that website and it will take you to this. But guys, you have to log in and you have to start your intro, so this is what it's gonna come up with. So pick whatever intro you want. There is 10 pages you can look through, so I'm gonna click on the Rainbow Blast and I'm gonna watch it. So I'll be back when we get to watch it because the internet here is pretty bad. So guys, this is going to be the intro that I'm going to be watching. And you guys are probably thinking right now, how do you take off that text that says your name or something? So when you find out a name for your YouTube channel, you put it in there. But you're probably going how do you put it in there? Once you've picked the intro that you like and it suits you, you press on edit this video. And it first comes up with instructions, but you don't have to skip all those. So what you're gonna have to press on in the middle, press the text, and just type in whatever you want, like your YouTube name. So guys, now that I've done this, say make video. Continue to dashboard, but I'm not going to wait till it loads. I'm just going to show you how it already looks like. So this is how it's going to look like. It's just loading. And guys, I'm just saying this has watermark, but you guys are really lucky because I'm going to show you guys how to get the watermark off without paying money. So guys, once you've edited your intro and you've put your YouTube name in it, this is how it's supposed to be like with your intro name, with your YouTube name. So guys, I know it's pretty cool, but there's watermark. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna have to screen record it by itself. And then you have to cut it. I'm going to show you a clip right now. So guys, I've got a clip of me just recording the video by itself. So it has watermark. And guys, I was pretty wrong about Samsung users. Samsung users, I think they can't do this because I think they can't crop videos. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna have to press on edit at the top, and you're gonna have to press on this right here, and you're gonna have to crop it till the watermark is gone. So you have to do this actually pretty gently. Wait, okay. And you have to get it really good, so then you can make it as big as you want, because you don't want it to be that small, because it's going to turn out a little bit small because the watermark just destroys it. But here, when I press done, you will have no watermark, and that is so amazing because you get it for free. Look. So guys, that's how you do an intro. So yeah, I'm going to be ending off the video right now. If you guys like this video, smash the subscribe button, press on the notification bell, and click on the like button because that would be supportive. And when you guys do all those stuff, comment down below and I'll give you a shout out. So yeah, bye guys, see you in my next video. But I'm just going to tell you something. My comments are turned off. So I'm going to be showing you a photo or video around the screen to show you where my discussions are. So then you can comment down below for a shout out. And I've already commented in my discussions if you guys want a shout out. But nobody's replied yet. So go in my discussions and I'll give you a shout out. So yeah, bye guys.